What's up guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope you're good. All right, if you're new to my channel, subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like this video, share. Okay, so today in this video I'm going to be sharing with you something that not a lot of people are talking about, which is very important, and I'm talking about stacking. Okay, stacking. You might be asking me what is stacking. I mean adding to existing positions. Okay, positions. So now what I mean is, if you look from here, this is the initial place I made this entry. You can see my first entry. So you can see I'm already on this another trade here, and I'll keep entering this trade. Okay, so the concept of stacking, or why people stack or add more position to an existing position, is that you want to maximize your profit with minimum risk. Okay, with minimum risk. So if you have been using a strategy, or you have been trading without understanding this concept of stacking or how to stack, it's still going to be a major problem to your improvement, to increasing your profitability in this market, right? So the major reason why you stack, I'm repeating myself again, is that you want to make the the maximum profits possible, and also risking minimum. Okay, risking small amount of money and targeting high. So what do I mean by that? Now, before you stack, first you have to consider how many lot size are you willing to use based on your risk management or risk reward, or however you trade. Okay, let's say you are entering this trade and you want to, the maximum lot size you want to use is, let's say, 9 lots. Okay, you want to place a trade with 9 lots based on your account size or your balance, anything. Okay, so if you're using 9, that's your lot size, what you are going to be adding on your lot size. Okay, so if you're using 9 now, when you are making entry, okay, maybe you can see you have confirmed your entry at this zone, and you want to make, sell this market right here. So first off, you are not likely just going to hop into this trade with 9 lot size to be on a safer side, because maybe your stop loss is going to be here. If you go into this trade with 9 lots, maybe you'll be, maybe let's say your account is $500, or let me say, okay, $100. Okay, with 9 lots, maybe at this point you are going to be risking up to $50 or so. Sorry about this. Sorry about it. You might be risking, let's say $20, okay, or $30 at that zone, which is high based on your account size. Okay, so instead of jumping with 9 lot size at the initial place, or the entry point, you divide your lot size by 3 or 4 or 5. So let's say I divide this lot size by 3, so 9 divided by 3 is going to give us 3. So what we are going to be planning to do, what we are going to be doing, is that we are going to be making or adding 3 positions. Okay, so for the meantime, when we discover our entry, we are going to go in with, the first entry is going to be, we are going to go in with 3 lot size. Okay, what it means is that if the price decided to go against us, let's say the stop loss is here and we make entry here, and you go in with 3 lot size, if the price go against us, you are not going to be risking just something like $7 instead of the $20 you could have lost. Okay, instead of losing the $20, you are now losing $7, because you have made entry with maybe 3 lots instead of 9 lot size, right? So you are now risking low and you are targeting high. So because you made entry with 3, the losses is going to reduce. Okay, now if the price go in your favor, all you need to do is to wait for the next swing high. Like, this is the first entry, the second place I should stack in or add more position, but it was in the night, so I was sleeping. Okay, I couldn't add more positions at that zone, right? So now if I miss, as I miss this one, the next place I added position is here. This is now position 2. So this is supposed to be position 2 and this is 3, right? But I'm now making this as 2. Okay, so what you will now do is that you look for swings. Okay, as the price keep going, you look for swings and stacking more position. Now this is the interesting part of it. So if you make, let's say that the price is pushing up, at the end of the day form a pattern, break structure and start going down, so you now make entry at the zone. Let's say you sold there. Okay, so the question is, if you sell at this zone, the price is pushing. The mistake people make is that you start adding position. Maybe this is the first point you made entry. Okay, as the price is pushing down to this level, people now start adding position at this zone here. This is not what you need to do, because you can add these 3 positions or 4 positions there. The price will reverse, put you into losses and trigger your stop loss and keep going to the upside. You don't want to add this kind of position.
Instead, what you have to do is to wait for the price. Let's say the price is pushing up again, and at the time the price started to break structure, make the first move. Maybe this becomes your first entry. You don't just start entering here, rather you wait for the price to clear the swing low. Okay, once the price clears this swing low, make a swing high, you can now start making the next entry here. The price clears again the swing low, you make more entry. So you have to understand the way you stack it. Okay, so before the distraction, the price have been kind of from here. This is the first entry and I missed the second entry. Okay, so I simply waiting for the price to clear this low now. Okay, so I can't just be stacking in trades again here, because I don't want to stack in and the price pull back, push me to losses. Okay, so that's the reason why I'm waiting for the price to clear the next low, okay, which is this particular low right here, before I will now make more entries. Okay, you can see my stop loss, I've already adjusted it to this level, and very soon I'm going to shift it more, but for now the stop loss is still above the previous swing. Okay, you can see it right there. Okay, so as the price keep going, you keep stacking. As the price keep creating the next swing highs, you keep stacking in more trades. So what I'm waiting for is for the price to break this low, give me a bit of retest, and once I see maybe bearish engulfing, I'm going to push in more sell at this zone. So this is for you to actually maximize your profit and minimize losses. Okay, and once you be able to maximize profits and minimize losses in the forex market, you are definitely going to become a profitable trader consistently. That's the game. All right, so remember to like this video, remember to share, remember to subscribe if you are new to my channel. Also turn on the notification bell to get notified each time I release a new video. So can we get this video to 1,000 likes, guys? It's possible, we can do it. All right, so remember, I will not chat you up on Telegram, or I will not chat you up in the comment section on YouTube. I don't do investment, I don't do I don't have a paid signal group, I don't do account management, so you should avoid being scammed. Okay, the link to my Telegram channel is in the description of this video, not in the comment section, guys. Just click on that is the description of the video. Join, is completely free, guys. It's free. So I think that's that for this video. Leave a good comment. If you have any question or the kind of video you want me to create, you can drop it in the comment section and I will definitely do justice to your question or create a video to answer your question. Okay, so that's that for this video. The link to derelief.com, which is the broker I'm using, is also in the description. So if some people do ask me, how do I get to, I want to trade boom and crash, I want to trade the step index or volatility, I can't see it on my MetaTrader 5. Yes, you cannot see it unless you register with the broker that offer those financial services. Okay, so you need to click the link in the description of my video. I will leave the link there. Just click there, sign up. It doesn't take anything more than 2 to 3 minutes or so. You are done, and you'll be able to, they will give you the login details where you can actually log in. to your MetaTrader 5, and you'll be able to, you know, trade boom and crash or volatility. Okay, so I hope this is helpful. I hope you are going to, you know, improve your, you know, increase your profit and improve your trading by applying this stacking method. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now, guys.